Anuradha Engineering College, Chikli. Today I will show you PPT presentation on the topic Fees Management System, which is guided by Dr. Avinash Kapse sir, and the group member are Miss Yogeshwari Vishnu Rajure, Miss Komal Sridhar Darekar, Miss Sandhya Achutrao Kale, Miss Asha Gavrave, guided by Dr. Avinash Kapse sir. Then the content are abstract, introduction, objective, study of existing system, purpose of the project, literature survey, module description, requirements, language, testing, advantages, future scope, and conclusion. Then abstract. The fees management system, it involves workload time consuming. In this system, we can easily manage student record, fees detail, the detail which is provided by the college. The information could be general detail like student name, address, student fees. It is very useful to student as well as the college authorities. The admin can fill various record about the student and their fees. Only the admin can edit, delete, insert the data of the student. The student only can check their information online. All the department provide various recording student. This information could be general detail like student name, address, or the other specific information related to the department of the student. All the module in college administration are independent. The main feature of this project is easy to allocate for the student, and also it helpful to show the detail of the student. We can register as user, and user has of two types, student and administrator. The administrator has power to add new user and can edit, delete the information. Then introduction. It is the application which is helpful to get all the information from the teacher or our particular department. The admin only can change all over the information of the student related to fee structure, student result, about any event or the regular study schedule easily. The more useful feature is we can add more than one admin, and only the admin can change the information, regular note, and provide to the student. The student only see this information. They cannot change this information. Every student can install this in mobile phones. Then objectives. The main objective of to computerize maintenance of the student detail fees management section in the college. It also includes the detail about all instruction and regulations. Then necessity. This project is helpful for both the student as well as the admin. Admin can provide and record all over information of the student. Also the user means the student get all record about the fees, academic, etc. They need not go manually to the college. It saves a lot of time and also reduce the workload. Then study of the existing system. The existing system is the college administrator who has to maintain all detail of the student manually. Every time he want to update record of the student, need to search for record in admin, has to enter detail. As we are developing CFMS, means college fees management system, as name suggests, it can be for whole college, whereas this all system can only use for college fees management system. In this college fees management system, project add few new facilities will enhance the existing system. These are follow: student record, event, result, subject, teacher information, etc. Then purpose of the project. The CFMS means college fees management system is integrated solution to the all work in proper as well as efficient manner and manage the college student detail. This system will provide accuracy as well as efficiency to manage whole student information. So this system is reduce manpower. We are proposing an automated system using which the admin can store all detail about in this site, and he can export the detail to Excel. It will provide lot of features like follow: fees management. First, fees management. then student management, examination management, teacher information management, all event management, parent detail management. In CFMS means college fees management system, as we are working on FMS fees management system and SMS student management system. In this, we will discuss all about the student management system. The system will use by student fees management of the college in record to maintain their own account or get information of other as well. Remaining project I will hand over to Sandhya Kale.
I will start with the literature survey. The system come up with many functionalities for student to track all over information of the student, such as fees, examination, result, event, etc. It helps to both the student and teachers to track of student progress without visiting to the college. It also notifies to the student during the time of important event which are happening in the institution. Once the feature student to get the alert whenever the exam will coming. Once the feature student to get the alert whenever the exam will coming. Also, it alert at the time of result declaration. Student get information of teacher staff about all over the subject, all streams available in the college, etc. The result declaration system that is called RDS is also helpful for the student. They get result. The student is particular like register numbers, like register number, semester, date of birth, stream, year, etc. All this is stored in database. CFMS application is to use in school and the college. It can be customized as per the need. This CFMS is with also the additional feature. The new approaches will provide fast processing and efficient student tracking. This approach will allow students to save their personal details. It is ready to use. Data access layer is responsible for viewing the data. Database layer responsible for storing the student data. In database layer, block diagram has been designed to provide the normalization. Next slide. The process provide complete information about the student, faculties, and the fees, parent, all over information. The model provide the information management storing student fees report, academic report, etc. Also, it consists of various functionalities, teachers, student category, branch, stream, and the student get examination result online, fees checking files, student all information, and also get notified when important event get occurred. This all over data only can edit by the admin. It will provide user to get their all information from college. Students are provide access to login, view their all edited information. Next content is module description. First module is administrator module. The main in the project, the administrator can read, write information about any member such as student, teacher, and staff members of the college. They can also update, delete, create the record of the members as per requirement and implementation plan. The admin can maintain the following records: record detail of the staff, student overall information, batch generation, edit all over records of the student, and add the new student. This is the block diagram of admin view. When we log in as an admin can maintain the record like student fees collection. When we log in as an admin can maintain the records like student fees collection, hostels, In the student, admin can add new student, modify the details and delete records. In the fee collection, admin can maintain the records about total fees, paid fees, and remaining fees of the student. In the hostel category, admin can maintain the record of girls hostel and boys hostel also. Next slide. Second module is student module. When we log in as a student, to user student account, student profile in detail, get information of other as well. All information reminder of the student and download the student details. In that we have student academic detail, handling record of examination, timetable, marks, etc. Continuous, not assessment, and notice about any event. This is the block diagram of student view. When we log in as a student, student can view the all record as per following: student, fees collection, teachers, subject, stream, exam result, examination, like this. Third module is fees module. The student as well as admin can get all over the fee structure of all the student. Also, they download all record and open it on Excel file. This is the block diagram of fees module, fees collection. Now see the requirements for this project. We need hardware. We need hardware like CPU, RAM 128 MB, hard disk 4 GB and above, monitor. Software requirements are WAM server and Windows 10. Languages for this project are using the different programming languages for the different phase and design develop the system, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript for designing the front end, PHP for designing the back end, and MySQL for designing the database. Remaining presentation I will hand over to Yogeshwari. Please continue.
Then testing how to log in and sign up. The first image show the how to log in as an admin. First enter here admin and then password, and then dashboard page will get open. This dashboard page having various feature like a student, fees collection, bank, teachers, subject, classes, and only admin can add the new student. To click here add new, and then this form will get open, and admin add this type of all this type of information, and then click save now. Then one more student will get add here. Then we try to sign up log in as an user. Then first we will get sign up. Then this admin and admin this username and password re-enter here, and then we log in as an user. But user could not add new information or new student or new any information. They only view their edited information which is edited by the admin. And student want see every information like fees collection, student, subject, about new teacher, and student user only show this information. If user want to save this file, then they click on save CSV. Then this file will get download, and this file get open in Excel, and this is show as like this is the Excel downloaded Excel sheet. If admin was to want to go sign out, then they click on admin. Then two option are here, admin area and sign out. Then admin click on sign out and they get sign out. The remaining project I will hand over to Asha Gaurave. Continue.
Advantages. The benefits of this system is the use of database. This database is basis for all the activities. All required information is stored. Save time and extra work. CFMS is divided into the two areas. Each area perform their specific task. Future scope. The project will enhance the student and the college to serve more quickly and efficiently. This is developed in order to computerize to activities which takes more time if done manually. The fees management system will enable student and college staff to make things fast and can get information quickly. If we want to any information about student, we can access it is quickly. Future conclusion. The fees management system is very useful for college. This project designed for the student and the teachers who want to manage the various activities in the college. The student need not to go manually in the college for the fees inquiry. Thank you.
Now we log in here as an admin. Then we enter here username. Then enter here password. Then sign in. After sign in, this page, this dashboard page get open. Then we view student view. Then click here view. Then all over student information are here. Then admin want to add new student. Then add. They click on add new. After that, this all our information get fill up here. We add here one more student. Then we select here date of birth, then register number. Then we enter here class, final year. Then stream. We select here chemical engineering, then hostel, girls hostel, then date of joining, then category, then academic year, second term 45,000, then advance fee, we enter here 20,000, and then balance 20,000. Then we click save new. Then we see a new student are added. A student want to save this information, then click on save CVS. Then this file is downloaded here. Then again we want to jump. Then we want to edit the fees collection detail. Then again add new student. Then we select one more. We select new added student Puja Thing. Then session second term. Then payment 45,000. Then branch Bank of India. Then click here save new, and again one more entry save here. Then we want to check. See this Pooja thing, new student are added here. Again we want to save this, then click on save CVS, and again this file again downloaded here, and this file open in Excel sheet. These are all over the project. Thank you.